Okay, presenting the case of Mr. Charles versus Mrs. Brown. Mr. Charles, we'll start with you. What brings you into court today?
Well, Your Honor, as you can see, I'm blind, but I'm here because I know this baby is mine. And I just want to prove today to the court and my beautiful, beautiful lady that this baby is mine. That's all.
And Mrs. Brown, how do you feel about this claim?
I'm not sure why I'm here today. He knows this is his baby. Mm-hmm. He's the only one I've been with. Mm. And I don't understand even why I'm here. I mean, he knows this is his baby. He's the only one I've been with, so.
I just want to prove it, Your Honor.
Okay, so
I just want, because I mean.
This is embarrassing.
Yeah. Okay, so Mr. Charles, I just wanted to ask, so you want to get the test results today, and that's why you both are here. Mm-hmm. So is there any other information that you're seeking from Mrs. Brown?
Well, not really. I'm just here because I'm blind. And this is what happens in our community a lot. I can speak for all blind people.
What tends to happen a lot, Mr. Charles?
Well, I know this baby is mine, but I would just like to prove that it's mine. That's it. And I speak for all blind people.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And Mrs. Robinson, what do you have to say to this? Have you ever dated someone who has been blind before?
No, I've never dated anyone blind before. I thought everything was going fine. We met, we got along. I'm not sure why I'm even here. He knows this is his baby. Mm-hmm. We've been together. He's at my house all the time. I'm at his house. This is ridiculous. So
I just need to know.
So you guys don't currently live together. Are you guys ever planning to?
I'm waiting for the ring, but no, we don't live together.
Yeah.
Okay, so you two are not currently engaged.
No, we're not. We're not. No.
Not engaged, but we're gonna take it there.
Well, Mr.
After I prove this
is not a good.
Mine.
This is not a good road. Like, you're bringing me to court to question our paternity.
Well, baby, I love you. I love you. And like I said, I speak for all blind people. We do this.
No, someone's been in his ear.
Okay, well.
Not as far as I can see.
Mr. Charles, my question to you is that, is this your first child? Is this your first time starting a family?
You know what I think it is.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And I love this woman. She knows it. I loved her since the first day we met.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about that. Where did you actually meet?
Well, it was so funny. Well, not even funny. I called this Walgreens, and there she was, the love of my life. Heard her over the phone, this angel voice, and I just couldn't help it. I was actually calling for my medication.
Okay.
I went down there because I heard this beautiful angel over the phone, and I just couldn't help myself. It was like the Lord was calling me. Yeah.
Okay.
And Yep.
Okay, so how did you guys meet? What was it like from your perspective?
He called in about his prescription. I told him it was ready and that he could come get it. He's handsome. He's a handsome guy. I didn't expect to fall for him. It kind of just happened. We started talking. Mm-hmm. He asked me out on a date, and here we are.
So, Mr. Charles, it seems like you and Miss Brown seem to be getting along together really well. So what is it that you like about her so much?
Oh, I love it, Your Honor. See, look, I was raised in an all-white neighborhood, all my life. And I don't like the sisters, I'll tell you that much. I love this woman, Your Honor. I don't like them as dark as I can see them. I don't like them.
Wait a minute.
But this woman here, when I heard her angelic voice over this phone, this beautiful white woman, I knew it. Her beautiful blonde hair, blue eyes, clear skin tone, this angel-like voice. Ooh, I knew this white woman was the one for me, Your Honor. All I ever seen was the darkness. So when I heard this beautiful white lady over the phone, I knew she was the one. You know what they say?
No, I don't.
The whiter the berry, the sweeter the juice.
What? So, Mr. Charles, you believe that this woman is white?
Believe it. Judge, I know it.
Just based off of her voice?
I know it. It ain't her voice, it's everything about her. When I touch her body, when I kiss them beautiful white lips, when I feel that long, beautiful hair, I just know it. I know she's white and I know she's the one for me, and I love her and she loves me, and I'm here today to prove that this baby is mine. I will not be deceived. I won't.
Mr. Charles, well, I think you're going to be in for a rude awakening. So, Miss Brown, do you feel like you're being dishonest towards Mr. Charles? Have you talked about this with him as you guys have dated?
This baby is his, and that's all that matters.
Mm-hmm.
That's all that matters, okay? This baby is his.
Has Mr. Charles ever asked you for your racial identity because he believes that you are a white woman?
Believe.
I am a white woman.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're here for a paternity test, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mr. Charles,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you prepared to do if you find out that Miss Brown is not white?
Well, ain't no way she ain't right. Because if she ain't white, then that baby ain't mine. Point blank, period. I tell you that much, because if she ain't white, then she gonna have to get up out of here. And that baby ain't mine, I tell you that much.
Your Honor, we're off subject. We're totally off subject here. We're here to prove paternity. Can we please stay focused?
Such a beautiful
Can we
woman.
You know what? Miss Brown,
that's my
Miss
wife.
Brown, I think it's time to tell the truth.
my
Are
angel.
you in fact a white woman?
Now, what type of question is that, Judge? Of
Well,
course
that-
she's a white woman.
Mr. Charles, this is important to you, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Very important.
Miss Brown, please reveal.
I identify as a white woman.
Okay, you're done. Mr. Charles,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Brown is not a white woman. She is indeed a black woman.
No. No.
She is.
No.
She is.
No.
She is,
You
Mr.
know,
Charles.
I might be blind, but I ain't stupid, Judge.
You know
I
what?
might be blind, but I'm not stupid.
Voices
and
are deceiving.
voices are deceiving. You're
Yes.
deceiving me right now. I'll tell you that much.
Your Honor,
Not my snowflake.
baby,
Yes, baby, I can hear you.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie.
Those in the gallery, if this is a black woman, please say I.
Oh, no.
I object!
Oh, no.
I object!
No, this can't
We're here
be.
for paternity, Your Honor.
Lord, this can't be. That ain't my baby. If this a black woman, that ain't my baby. I tell you that much.
Honey, I love you.
I love you too,
That's all that
sweetie,
matters.
but you can't be black. Tell me you ain't black.
You know what?
I check white on all my applications. I am white, Your Honor. I am white.
I see you, sweetie.
I am white.
Calm down, Miss Brown. Calm down. Mr. Charles, what are you prepared to do if you are the father of this child?
To this black woman, I'm gonna ask for another paternity test. That's what I'll do.
Oh, Mr.
And I will see my way up out of here.
This is your baby.
It's my baby if you white.
Miss Brown, what are you prepared to do if Mr. Charles is not the father of your child?
I don't know. Why did you even have to tell him? He's blind. He never had to. We were not here for this.
We're here.
What?
This is the court of justice. We are here for honesty.
You trying to tell me you ain't white?
Mr. Charles,
Wait,
Miss Brown
you trying to
is
tell me
not
you ain't white?
Miss Brown is not white. So, Miss Brown, why does he believe that you're a white woman?
Because when he came to the store to pick up his prescription, he insisted on speaking to a white person.
Is that right?
Yes, when he called on the phone, you know how we do. I answered the phone Caucasianly. And so when he got there, I was speaking in my regular voice, and he kept asking for a white pharmacist. I was the only one there. So I just came back with my white voice, and he believed he was talking
Lord,
to
I can't believe this.
the white.
So you don't believe that this is a form of deception?
It was, at first, it was just customer service.
Whoa, the devil is a lie. Who is that?
Wait, at first it was just customer service. I'm gonna be honest.
can't
And
be
he
my
kept
baby.
coming back, and he was very sweet. He has a good heart, and I'm thinking, what's the harm? Like, he can't see anyway.
Okay.
And we had fun together. And I didn't mean to get the pregnancy was not planned. So
Okay, well, I have the verdict right here, and these are the test results. So, Mr. Charles, in the case of 6-month-old Becky, you are the father.
Oh, Lord.
Honey.
The father to a black woman? Oh, the devil is a lie. I worked too hard for this. I worked too hard for this, Your Honor.
Baby, really, I'm still the same person.
No, you ain't. You ain't the same person.
And this is your baby, so you're just gonna just
That ain't my baby.
Mr. Charles.
No.
Mr. Charles, listen.
Mrs. Judge.
How do you feel about
How do I
that,
feel?
that you're the father of this of your 6-month-old child?
I think we should take that test again.
You are the father.
Something's wrong.
This is your baby.
I don't know how I feel, Your Honor.
Miss Brown, how do you feel that this is the father of your child, that Mr. Charles?
He loves her.
So, Mr. Charles, do you love your child?
Let me think about it, Your Honor. No.
Well, this is awful.
You know,
This
Now,
is
you
awful.
You both are the parents of this child. And it is your responsibility to be in the life of your child.
that's okay. We'll be fine.
Now, are you two going to continue to see each other?
See each other? Ha! Me seeing her is irrelevant. I don't even want to hear that woman's voice no more. See her.
I'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Okay, well, you know what? We could learn something today. A lesson for the both of you. You know, Miss Brown, you need to work on not deceiving others, especially when it comes to dating. You know, be proud of who you are. You are a black woman. That is something to be proud of. That's nothing to be ashamed of. Mr. Charles, I have something to say to you as well. Now,
Okay.
you need to go to therapy and counseling.
Counseling.
You know why? Because you don't love who you are.
I love my beautiful skin. I tell you that
and guess
much.
what? And you're black too. Okay? Look, both Miss Brown and I, we are lighter than you.
Wait, I'm black?
Yes, you are. And you should be proud of it. Even if you grew up in a predominantly white neighborhood, it is okay to embrace your skin and to embrace who you are and how you were born.
Your Honor, everything that you're telling me right now is irrelevant because I can't
No.
see nothing, can't see you,
No, it isn't.
can't see her,
Listen.
can't see anybody in this courtroom.
Listen.
So irrelevant.
Mr. Charles. Mr.
I know
Charles,
my work. I know
Be
who I
quiet,
am,
Mr.
and I
Charles.
know I love
Mr.
my white
Charles.
woman.
You know what? Court is adjourned. I'm done.